Right. The chemicals in my videos are dangerous and could cause serious harm if not used correctly. My videos are not tutorials, alright? Please do not repeat the technique shown. Thank you and enjoy.
Hey YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be processing Pentium Pro CPUs. These have already been incinerated, that's why the black caps have been removed, so there's no grease. It's just like a fine white powder where the grease was. What I'll do is wash these in hot water, so give them a boil in hot water to remove the rest of the contamination, and then we'll move on to the acids. Just get these out like that just to show you. So we got 8 ceramics. These have been washed in hot water. It's nice and clean. Now these are ready for the acids. I'm going to use nitric acid, but in my country the strongest nitric acid you can get is 3%, but that should be okay to remove the silver. There is silver in these as well as gold. So this is how 3% nitric acid looks like while it's heated up. So as you can see, there's still things dissolving, the bubbles. Leave this go for a few hours and I'll get back to you. So I got the solution boiling. There is a slight colour to the solution as well, so that's a good sign. And there is some nitrogen dioxide as well. You can just see the faint brown colour. Nice. Right, so I've taken out the nitric. Now we're going to add some HCl. HCl. This has been going for a few days. Gold foils coming loose. So that's the Pentium Pros after the HCl. Those are come loose, so what I'll do now is go to aqua regia. Most of the gold has been stripped. I've plucked these out because these have been totally stripped. I find if you leave them in solution too long, it forms a green sludge, which is obviously from the copper tungsten alloy, the plate on top of the Pentium Pros. So you can see the green there. So yeah, these ceramics are not far off complete. The next step then will be to filter the solution. So already filtered the solution, just the last little bit in there. I've done 2 rinses as well with hot tap water. But there looks like there's no gold on them now. I will go through them, I'll pluck them out and have a look. Then I'll be on to precipitation. The solution does look quite clear. So yeah. So the solution's been filtered. I've actually heated the solution as well, a touch, because I find I get a better gold drop. The gold settles a lot quicker. I'm expecting maybe 2 grams of gold, so I'm not going to add a great deal of SMB, maybe 2 teaspoons should do the trick. So here we go, first teaspoon. The second teaspoon. That should be it. Put the lid on. Give it a stir. Nice. This is the gold powder. Now it's settled. I'm currently doing the water washes. Hard to say how much is in there, but we will get a result. So I'm going to get this washed and dried, and then I'll get back to you when it comes to getting it weighed. So the gold powder is nice and dry. We get this weighed. This is my accumulation over the months. So tear that. Well, that says there's I was reading 76 grams. What would the pot weigh? Maybe 10 grams for the pot. So we're looking around the high 60s, so 68 grams, maybe higher for this next bit of gold going into there. So that's zeroed. Try and get a good shot. Nice. So there's 2.87, so nearly 2.9, not quite. We rounded down to 2.8. 2.8 grams of, why is that, wait, yeah, so I was reading higher now. I was reading 2.89. Oh, 2.9. 2.9 grams then of gold from 8 Pentium Pro CPUs. It's around about the right yield, probably on the higher end actually, so can't fault that. So in the next video, I'm going to be doing a refine of this. Like I said, there's going to be around 70 grams of gold in there. So it's going to be interesting. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.